Hey guys, Joe Pye here from Advanced Innovations. You know, when I'm not making miniature cannons, machinery, or steam engines, I'm repairing my house. Not that it needs it, but every once in a while you got to catch up with a project, and I came up with a fix that I think is going to help a lot of you guys out. Let's take a look. The majority of the fence around this house is original, and as luck would have it, the two pickets that are in the most need of repair are the ones directly in line with the hinge on the outside of the fence. So if you can see the outside, you can see the hinge right here. It's a strap hinge that tapers down and covers both these pickets. So how do you replace the pickets and unloosen the hinges without having the gate fall off? Well, this is how you do it right here. Grab a piece of material. Any random size will do. I'm lucky enough to have a machine shop at my disposal, so I use 1/2 by 1.5 inch aluminum and pony clamps. Clamp it to one side, stationary side. This is the pivot side. Clamp it. Do that on the top and the bottom. And when you remove the hinge on the outside of the gate should stay put, and you can proceed with the repair without incident. Show it to you from the outside. Looking at the repair from the outside, this is what we're up against. Take these three out. Take those three out, and guess what? The gate falls off. Well, by rigging it up the way it was rigged up on the inside, that's not going to happen. That is a great technique. Give it a shot. Make sure you stop by my channel, see what I'm all about. Thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you very much. Joe Pye, Advanced Innovations, Austin, Texas. I'm out.